Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to protect an Excel workbook step by step. Protecting your workbook helps prevent unwanted changes and keeps your important data, formulas, and worksheets safe. So let's get started. First, open Microsoft Excel on your computer. Open the workbook that you want to protect. Before protecting your workbook, make sure all the changes you want to make are complete. Next, click on the Review tab at the top of the Excel window. In the Protect section, click on Protect Workbook. A menu will appear with protection options. Select Encrypt with Password if you want to require a password before anyone can open the workbook. Enter a password, then click OK. Excel will ask you to confirm the password. Enter the password again and click OK. Your workbook is now protected with a password. You can also protect the structure of your workbook to prevent users from adding, deleting, moving, or renaming worksheets. To do this, go back to the Review tab. Click Protect Workbook and select the protection option you need. If you want to remove workbook protection later, open the workbook, go to the Review tab, and select Protect Workbook again. Enter your password if prompted, and the protection will be removed. Remember to keep your password in a safe place because Excel cannot recover a forgotten workbook password. And that's it. You've successfully protected an Excel workbook. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Excel tips, spreadsheet tutorials, and productivity guides. See you in the next one.